Welcome to Blank Mind Crafting. I'm your host, Charles. Today we have Blood Angels Lego figure. Woohoo! Let's get putting together. Okay, I put the shoulder pads on the wrong side. Sorry. Fixing it up right now. And that's the figure. Good old Blood Angel. He came with two different things. I got these clear cases that I can place the minifigures into so they do not get dusty. And, well, wait a second. Maybe I need to put the base. Yeah. Okay. I think, yep, that's how I would probably need to do it. Or put like one piece underneath of them to raise them up. But again, I might end up trying to fill the inside with like maybe debris or something, make it look like it's a base, maybe. But there he is. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment what you like, and subscribe. Till next time.